Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're taking a close look at the Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum. This vacuum promises some serious power, an auto-empty system, and a whole suite of features designed to make cleaning easier, especially for pet owners. Let's dive into what this vacuum really brings to the table. The Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus is an advanced cordless stick vacuum that's designed for powerful suction, especially when it comes to dealing with pet hair and debris. Its most standout feature? The auto-empty system, which means you can say goodbye to the hassle of manually emptying the bin after each clean. The vacuum docks itself in a charging base that empties and charges it at the same time. This way, it's always ready for the next round, and you're never left scrambling to get it charged. But let's break down what's inside and what makes this vacuum tick. First off, it boasts Shark's best cordless suction, and that's not just a claim. It's backed up by powerful performance metrics. The suction is designed to handle a variety of surfaces, from deep carpets to hard floors, with no problem at all. Whether you're dealing with fine dust or large debris, this vacuum's got you covered. Filtration is another big selling point. With a HEPA filter, it's ideal for allergy sufferers, capturing 99.9% of dust and allergens, which is a huge benefit if you're trying to keep your home free from triggers. The dustbin itself is designed to seal away dirt for up to 45 days, ensuring that fine dust, allergens, and odors stay locked inside until you empty the bin. Speaking of the bin, the Shark PowerDetect offers a convenient design that you don't need to worry about after every clean. The auto-empty system kicks in when the vacuum is docked, meaning you don't have to manually empty it every time. And with a capacity large enough to handle multiple cleaning sessions, you won't find yourself emptying it as often as other models. In terms of runtime, this vacuum offers up to 70 minutes of use on a single charge, an impressive figure, especially in ESO mode. For most homes, that means you'll have more than enough power to clean everything, from floors to stairs. Once it's docked, the vacuum recharges automatically and is ready to go again. Let's talk about ergonomics. The Shark PowerDetect is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to carry around and maneuver, but it still packs the punch of a more heavy-duty model. The wand is designed to be flexible, thanks to multi-flex technology. This allows you to bend the wand to clean under furniture or fold it over for easier storage. This is a real game changer for those who find it hard to clean under low-lying furniture. As for performance, Shark has integrated multiple intelligent technologies into this model to enhance the cleaning experience. The PowerDetect feature automatically boosts suction when it detects dirt, dust, or debris, adjusting the power based on what it encounters. This makes cleaning more efficient, especially in high-traffic areas or around the edges of your home. The DuoClean Detect nozzle also offers forward and reverse debris pickup, which means you can clean faster and more thoroughly in a single pass. Now, real-world testing. We gave this vacuum a good run through a variety of scenarios to see how it holds up in everyday situations. On hard floors, it glided effortlessly, picking up dust and larger debris without leaving any mess behind. On carpets, it worked wonders on pet hair. No tangling, no streaks. The DuoClean brush rolls did a fantastic job lifting embedded dirt from deep carpet fibers. Using the attachments like the flexible crevice tool and fur fins tool was just as satisfying. These made it easy to reach under the couch, between furniture cushions, and even in the car interior, where pet hair tends to stick. The fur fins tool especially made short work of pet hair, ensuring nothing was left behind. But it's not all perfect. While the suction power is impressive, you might notice a slight drop-off in performance as the battery drains. This isn't unusual for most cordless models, but it's something to keep in mind if you're planning on doing a full house clean on a single charge. Also, while the auto-empty system is convenient, it can be a bit loud during operation, and if you're someone who prefers a quieter clean, that might be a downside. When we talk about the pros and cons, there's a lot to love about this vacuum. It's incredibly easy to use, with its lightweight design and flexible wand making it perfect for homes with pets. The auto-emptying system is a huge convenience, and the suction power is among the best in its class, especially on carpets. However, there are a few things to consider. The battery life, while good, could be an issue for larger homes or for those who need a vacuum to last through multiple cleaning sessions in one go. The noise level during the auto-empty process might also bother some users, and the unit isn't quite as silent as some other vacuums on the market. So, how does it stack up in terms of value for money? When you consider the powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and the convenience of the auto-empty system, it's definitely offering a lot for the price. Of course, you can find cheaper options, but none quite match this combination of power and convenience. If you're someone with a large home, pets, or allergies, this vacuum could be well worth the investment. When compared to similar models, the Shark PowerDetect holds its ground. If you're considering other premium cordless vacuums, you might look at models from brands like Dyson or Tyneco, but few can offer the same value for money in terms of pet hair pickup, runtime, and the auto-empty system. In this price range, it's a strong contender. In terms of build quality, the Shark PowerDetect feels solid. The plastics are durable, and the joints and wand connections feel secure, without any flimsy parts. Maintenance is straightforward too, with easy-to-clean filters and brush rolls that don't require too much attention. When it comes to customer support, Shark has a solid reputation, and while we didn't need to use the support system for this review, it's worth mentioning that they generally offer reliable service for any issues that may arise. As for updates or smart features, this vacuum is straightforward. It doesn't have any app integration or advanced smart features, which might be a plus for those who don't need those extras. The technology it does have is centered around real-time performance adjustments, so while it's not smart, in the traditional sense, it's still intuitive and responsive. In conclusion, the Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum is a solid choice for pet owners and anyone who wants an easy-to-use, powerful vacuum that does the hard work for you. Its auto-empty system is a game changer, and the suction power is more than enough for both carpets and hard floors. If you're looking for something that offers great value for money, solid performance, and a stress-free cleaning experience, this vacuum should be on your list. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more. And remember, the link to get the Shark PowerDetect can be found in the comments box below. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences if you've already got one of these at home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more insights from Reviews Inside TV. Stay clean, and remember, your home, your rules.